discuss method 5 for finding integrating factors. What is method 5 here? If 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equals to f of y or k, then integrating factor of non-exact differential equation m dx plus n dy equals to 0 is e power integral f of y dy or e power integral k dy. So dx plus n dy equals to 0, which is not an exact differential equation. Then what we have to find here? 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equals to f of y. So what is the integrating factor of this? E power integral f of y dy, or this may be written as e power integral dy. Here k is constant. Now let us solve an example problem using method 5. So what is given here? Solve xy cube plus y into dx plus 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 into dy equals to 0. Now given equation we are considering as equation 1. So now equation 1 we are comparing with m dx plus n dy equals to 0. So what is m here? Xy cube plus y, n equals to 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4. Now partially differentiate m with respect to y. So dou m by dou y equals to x as it is. Now differentiation of y cube 3y square. So 3 into xy square plus differentiation of y 1. So 3xy square plus 1. Now again partially differentiate n with respect to x. So 2 into differentiation of x square 2x into y square as it is plus differentiation of x 1. So only we have to differentiate with respect to x only. This we have to not consider. Now so dou n by dou x equals to 2 2s are 4. 4 into 4xy square plus 2 into 1 2. So this both are not equal. Therefore dou n by dou y not equals to dou n by dou x. So therefore equation 1 is not an exact differential equation. Now if it is not an exact differential equation, what we have to do? So what is given in method 5? If it is not an exact differential equation, means what we have to find? 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou n by dou y. That equals to 1 by what is m here? Xy cube plus y into what is dou n by dou x? 4 into xy square plus 2 minus of dou n by dou y. What is dou n by dou y? 3x into y square, 3xy square plus 1. So that equals to 1 by xy cube plus y as it is into 4 xy square plus 2 minus 3xy square. Here minus into plus minus 1. That equals to 1 by xy cube plus y into 4xy square minus 3xy square. What we will get here? Xy square plus 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equals to 1 by xy cube plus y into xy square plus 1. Now here 1 by, now we have to take here y common. So if we are taking y common means x into y square plus 1 into xy square plus 1 as it is. Now this both xy square plus 1, xy square plus 1 will be cancelled. So what is remaining here? 1 by y. Therefore 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equals to, what is remaining here? 1 by y. That equals to f of y. This is equals to f of y as we have discussed in method 5. So 1 by y equals to f of y. Now for this we have to find the integrating factor. So what is the integrating factor? Therefore e power integral f of y dy is an integrating factor. So that implies e power, what is f of y here? 1 by y. E power by y dy. So in e power integral 1 by y dy means what is the formula? Log y. So e power log y. Now this e power log y can be written as y. So now this e power log y can be written as y. So y is the integrating factor. Now multiply y with equation 1. So we are multiplying here y with the equation 1. Now after multiplying y with equation 1, we get x into y power 4 plus y square into dx plus 2 into x square y cube plus 2xy plus 2y power 5 dy equals to 0. Now this we are considering as equation 2. Now compare equation 2 with m1 dx plus n1 dy equals to 0. Now we are comparing this equation 2 with m1 dx plus n1 dy equals to 0. So what is m1 here? X into y power 4 plus y square. Now n1 equals to 2 into x square y cube plus 2xy plus 2 into y power 5. So again we have to partially differentiate m1 with respect to y. So here differentiation of y power 4 means 4y cube. So 4 into x remaining, 4 into xy cube plus differentiation of y square 2y. Now again partially differentiate n1 with respect to x. 2 into differentiation of x square means 2x. So y cube as it is plus 2 into 2 as it is, differentiation of x means 1. So y as it is. Dou n1 by dou x equals to 2 2s are 4 into xy cube plus 2 into y, 2y. So here both are equal. Dou m1 by dou y equals to dou n1 by dou x. So therefore equation 2 is an exact differential equation. Now integrate m1 with respect to x and take y as constant. So integral m1 dx equals to, what is m1 here? Integral xy power 4 x into y power 4 plus y square into dx. That equals to, here y we should take it as constant. So y power 4 into integral x dx plus y square constant into integral dx. That equals to y power 4 as it is. Integral x dx means x square by 2. What is the formula for integral x dx? X square by 2 plus y square into integral dx means 1 equals to x square y power 4 by 2 plus y squares. So integral, therefore integral m1 dx equals to x square into y power 4 by 2 plus y square. Now integrate n1 with respect to y. Now we have to integrate after n1. After m1 n1 with respect to y, and x term should not be considered. So integral n1 dy equals to, what is n1? So integral 2x square into y cube plus 2xy plus 2 into y power 5 dy. What we have discussed here, x terms should not be considered. So we should not take x terms. Both terms we should exclude because here x terms are there. So now we should only integrate with respect to y. So integral 2 into y power 5 dy. That equals to, now we are taking 2 outside into integral y power 5 dy. That equals to 2 into integral y power 5 dy means what we will get here? Y power 6 by 6. That implies integral n1 dy equals to 2 y power 6 by 6. Here 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore integral n1 dy equals to, so here 2 1s are 2 3s are cancelled. So 1 into y power 6. Y power 6 by 3. So therefore integral n1 dy equals to y power 6 by 3. Now general solution equals to, therefore general solution is, what is general solution? General solution is integral m1 dx plus integral n1 dy equals to c. So what is the general solution here? Integral m1 dx plus integral n1 dy equals to c. That implies, what is integral m1? X square into y power 4 by 2 plus y square plus what is n1 dy? Y power 6 by 3 equals to c. Implies after taking LCM 3 into x square y power 4 plus 6 into y square plus 2 into y power 6 equals to c. That implies 3x square y power 4 plus 6y square plus 2 into y power 6. If this division goes here means becomes multiplication. 6c. This is the answer.